Your ego is nothing more than a sense of self, an individual sense of self, which each and every one of us needs at this time. But when people say things, or you hear the phrase, kill your ego, what would be a more accurate way of saying it is to transform the lower ego or the unconscious ego into the conscious or aware ego. And how we do that is by shedding light on patterns that we've taken on and adopted, behaviors, coping strategies, subpersonalities, in order to survive. And we know because there's typically a lack of coherence going on. So we're either shut down, or we're noticing ourselves going out of our body, or we're noticing ourselves being dysregulated and going into fight or flight. We're leaving ourselves. And when there's so much going on under the surface, sometimes it's hard to express your authentic and true self. But it's through that awareness that we start to have a very different relationship with these patterns, because we're no longer just the patterns themselves or the subpersonalities themselves. And then we start to gain access to more choice and free will, which is really what the conscious, multidimensional expression of the aware ego is. So we're not really killing the ego. It's just transformed into a higher heart and higher mind coherence.